An exponential equation is an equation where the unknown is a power. We can solve these equations by using logarithms. First, take the logarithm of both sides. Second, use the laws of logarithms to remove the powers. Third, rearrange to isolate x. Lastly, use logarithms to solve for x. Note that if the question asks you to give an exact value, you may need to leave your answer as a logarithm. Now let's apply these steps to get a better understanding. So first, there is a hidden quadratic with 4x. So 4x can actually equals 2 to the power of 2x, which is equal to 2x to the power of 2. Now, by the law of indices, we can see that here 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x times 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2 times 2x. Now, by deducing all of this, we can now write the new form of the exponential equation, which will be 2 to the power of x to the power of 2 minus 3 times 2 times 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now we can just solve. So 3 times 2 is 6, so minus 6 times 2x plus 9. Now we can use a substitution variable for 2x, which will help us rewrite the equation in a more familiar form, and it'll allow us to simplify the equation more easily. So here I'll use the substitution variable u to represent 2x. So let u equal to 2 to the power of x. Now we can rewrite the equation in a more simple manner. So u squared minus 6u plus 9 equals 0. So now you can see it's a more simple quadratic equation. So now we can factorize this, which will be u minus 3 times u minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we can solve for u, so u minus 3 is equal to 0. We move the 3 to the other side, so u is equal to 3. So therefore 2x to the power of x is equal to 3. So now that we've figured out that 2 to the power of x is equal to 3, we can solve this exponential equation. So as I previously mentioned, we have 4 simple steps. So we can take the logarithms of both sides. You can either take the common logarithm or natural logarithm. It'll give you the same result. For me, I prefer to use the natural logarithm. So step 1 will be ln 2 to the power of x is equal to ln 3. Now step 2 is use the law. So here we can use the log a xm is equal to m log a x, the power law. So now we have x ln 2 is equal to ln 3. So step 3 was to rearrange to isolate the x. So x is equal to ln 3 over ln 2. And now we can plug this into our calculator to solve. So x is equal to around 1.584.
Please like and subscribe, please.